Where are we? ICP against BTC. So for internet computer, look at this. Super duper rally, super duper slap, and we are back to square one. So there is still selling pressure for ICP. The ICP wheels are not done with ICP. So that's why the question is always asked, even if you see a strong rally, is this the bottom? So it looks like the answer very likely is not. So I think more likely than not we'll get another bottom, right? But this could be a double. Is this a double? Yeah, it's a double bullish divergence. If we see another low and we start reversing, right? We could get that. We might get something like an inverse head and shoulders, something like that. Pew! We go crazy for ICP against BTC if that happens. But yeah, I don't think the downtrend is done yet. We're still in a largely bearish trend, so be careful about going to a trade too soon for ICP BTC, ICP USDT. Here we are, some sort of a descending triangle, right? Mountain ranges broke down, retested the resistance, bounced off of it violently. So this wasn't the bottom. So we had a lower low. Feels to me like we're probably getting something like a head and shoulders to head lower, potentially. Yes. Yeah, it's not really looking that good to me though. So I just feel that ICP is just not ready for a trade yet. Neither towards the upside nor towards the downside. Again, we could result in the... Okay, let me just extend this. We could result in the resistance line being tested again and again and again, and then we will switch our bias to bullish if we continue to retest the resistance line, and then boom, we break higher. If this happens, but yeah, it's still too soon to tell. We still do not know how much lower things are going to go. We're at $20 right now. Is this the bottom? Is this the bottom? Highly unlikely. More likely than not, I think we'll see more downside to come for ICP. So be careful about going to a trade too soon. If anything, we'll probably be shorting. The boys and I in Patreon will probably be shorting ICP.